guys, I'm Nikhil Chawla from the Unbiased blog, and today we're going to talk about two fundamental problems that world over people face. One is pollution and the other is dust. Well, as humans, we can do a lot of things to, combat these problems, solve these problems. But thankfully, there is a company that's working on solving both these problems. Yes, I'm talking about Dyson. There are products that help us from, combating pollution, all those ailments that we get through pollution. So there's an air purifier range that they make, and that's right here. The other problem that we all face is dust that causes a lot of problems in our daily life and well-being. But we all know Dyson as a company for vacuum cleaners. They started with that, they challenged the vacuum cleaning industry, and they came out with bagless vacuum cleaner, and then eventually launched generations of vacuum cleaners each year, getting better with each year. And this one, the latest generation of vacuum cleaners, the Dyson V11 Absolute Pro, is an absolute dust killer. So in this video we'll talk about how the Dyson V11 Absolute Pro leaves all of them in dust, be it the robotic vacuum cleaners, the corded ones, the cordless one, the bag ones, or the good old way of dusting and brooming. So in the box you get the Dyson V11 Absolute Pro, the nickel blue color with swappable battery. In terms of attachments, you get nickel torque drive, soft roller cleaner head, docking station, charger, quick release crevice tool, quick release combination tool, quick release mini motorized tool, quick release mini soft brush, one storage clip, quick release mattress tool, quick release up top adapter, and quick release extension hose. Dyson's V11 Absolute Pro is a fully sealed vacuum cleaner. That means that the dust cannot escape. In fact, it traps 99.7% of dust and particles as small as 0.3 microns. Even with such a powerful motor, it is designed to absorb vibration. So when you're using it, you would not feel even a bit of vibration in your hand. And for the sound insulation, they've done a great job in this one. And unless and until you're using it in boost mode, it doesn't get really loud. Now you might be wondering what's the weight, because you mostly will be using it with single hand or sometimes with double-handed operation. Well, the weight is 2.97 kgs, yes, almost 3 kgs. If you're using it with single hand, definitely it'll feel heavy in the hand if you're doing really intensive task and you're lifting above the shoulder. If you're trying to clean something above the roof or the fans, then it might feel heavy after a while. But you can always use two hands to give it a proper fit and also distribute the weight between the hands. Dyson V11 Absolute Pro comes with radial root Cyclone technology. Well, 14 Cyclone motors work to generate 79,000 G of force to pull in the dust without clogging the filters. Thanks to the hyperdymium motor, it does 125,000 RPM. That's rotation per minute. So you can imagine the kind of rotation happening in this little shell. That's why I say it's an amalgamation of science and art. 125,000 rotations per minute. That's incredible bit of science. So even if you are a Dyson V10 user like I am, there is a reason you should upgrade to the V11 Absolute Pro. First of all, it's battery swappable. So now if you have more batteries, you can easily swap them. So all you need to do is press a button and swap the battery. So you're not really, constrained that the battery has gone off and you need to charge the battery before you can go on. Well, the battery charging speeds have also gone up, so you can easily charge it faster. And there's also a dedicated display that shows you the battery level to the minutest level. So each time you do that, a second gets depleted depending on what mode you are. You're on eco mode, you're on normal mode, or you're on boost mode. And that is also displayed according to the battery, according to the mode, the battery changes, the display changes, and it shows that if you're in boost mode, it'll be red. If you're in normal mode, it will be in blue. And if you are in eco mode, it'll be in green. Few more reasons to upgrade if you are using a Dyson V10 is bigger and more powerful motors, bigger carriage for collecting the dust, and bigger filter at the back. And you know what? This display is not just to show you the battery levels or the modes you are in. Like for example, you're detaching the filter from the back. It shows you on the screen how to insert it back, and it also shows you that the filter has been removed. All showing in that tiny screen in a digital video format, that how to place the filter back or how to remove it. So all these things are making use of the screen. It also shows you the languages. It also has an option to change modes. So that's a great thing. That's a great addition. Other than that, the docking mode has also changed in this one. So you can either dock it on the wall or you can get a docking stand, which currently is complimentary if you buy the Dyson V11 Absolute Pro. So you get a docking stand where you can place it anywhere in the room. Docking stand is very useful if moving it around. Dyson V11 Absolute Pro comes with 11 attachments. Yes, you heard that right. It's 11 attachments that let you reach every nook and corner, be it on the top of the AC, be it in the car seats, under the mattress, wherever it is, you will be able to pull off dust with the powerful motors on the Dyson V11 Absolute Pro. Now let's compare it to a robotic vacuum cleaner. A lot of people are buying robotic vacuum cleaners, but they're forgetting that it is only for surface cleaning. There's nothing else it can do. You can't clean your mattresses, you can't clean your couch, you can't clean your AC, you can't do it in your car. So there is very limited use case scenario of a robotic vacuum cleaner. Well, the only advantage that one can think of a robotic vacuum cleaner is that it does it automatically. But then again, it's just cleaning your floor. That's about it. So why have two devices, Just get one that does it all. And that's what the Dyson V11 Absolute Pro really dusts this off. And when we compare it to corded ones, the corded vacuum cleaners, they have all the restraints. You have to have a power socket next to it. You have to have your limited range while doing that. So then again, there's no point getting a corded one. And if you talk about cordless ones also, the other technologies that people use in cordless vacuum cleaners is bagged vacuum cleaners, which have very tiny bag, very less powerful motor. It really doesn't do the job. And you have to again, use your hands, clothes and brushes to take out the dust and then vacuum it. Again, there's no point. You need a powerful motor, you need hands-free comfort, you need a big space to collect all the dust. And as I mentioned, it captures 99.7% of dust and particles. Now what's the point if you're touching that dust, right? So Dyson has made sure that there's a point and shoot mechanism to ward off all the dust. And all you need to do is like this and shoot at the bin. And it's the most hygienic way to let all the dust go away from the vacuum cleaner. In terms of bin volume, that exactly captures all the dust, hair and every other particle. It is 0.54 liters. So now you're wondering, what's the performance like? What's the battery level? How much time does it take to charge? Well, it takes around 4.5 hours to charge the battery, and you can have a runtime about 60 minutes depending on what mode you're using it. But you don't need to worry about 4.5 hours of battery charging time. You can obviously get swappable battery. So while the other battery is charging, you can start using the Dyson V11 Absolute Pro by just swapping the battery. So that's why it's a must-have tech in the pandemic age where cleanliness, hygiene and sanitation is of utmost importance. So that was all for today. Thanks for watching our video of the Dyson V11 Absolute Pro. Keep clean, keep sanitizing, and make sure that you're using Dyson V11 Absolute Pro to clean all the dust.